and Semana and Abanto, former FEU Lady Tamaraws, showing their support to the current team that Coach Nez is handling. Of course, they were part of several championships for the FEU Lady Tamaraws during their time. Both of them setters. Abanto also sometimes set the ball for FEU. This is outside from Rojas. Tried that quick play and she missed the line, hitting it too wide. UST up by 2, 9-7. Ortiz serving. Not a good dig there from Vargas. Cross court, dug up by Banatikla. Again, Reyes. Hirotsuhi.
Reaches over.
This time is Rojas winning the joust against Hirotsuhi. 8 serving 9. FEU down by 1.
Win back.
So it's the Pampanga native on deck, Rochelle Bagang. 8 serving 9. Good serve. Underhand. Taken by Agno. Vargas cues up. Agno goes back to Rose. Vallejo was there. Reyes loads up. Reyes again. Agno sends it back. Agno solid here in this match. And the error on the attack from Hirotsuji.
That's the second time she's done that. The miss hit from Hirotsuji. Not really, flicking the wrist all the way. So parang pinapatamaan lang yung bola, but the follow through not there. That's why that ball went straight to the outside.
This is why when it's UST and it's FEU, it's just, you're going to expect fireworks. And that's what we're getting here from the coaches and the players. Chance again for FEU. Vargas. They'll go back to Ingrid. Taas, pero nahuli pa. Vargas sends it back. And UST unable to put it away. Vargas loads it up. Morado was there. Reyes again. Woo! Pagod na raw siya.
Wow, Reyes just giving it enough to roll over the net. Ayun, no?
Perfect.
That really, sets off the defense. Talagang mawawala ka sa timing pag tumama sa tape yung bola. And then it just rolls over. Napakahirap kuhanin.
It's deft touch.
Yes.
From her. That's in the line. On the line, rather. We haven't heard from Banatikla in a while because she has been checked.
Yes.
The last few sequences.
And Reyes, kita mo, she showed us a variety of attacks in that exchange.
Yes, you're right, you're right. That's a great touch also for Rojas, but great coverage. And she blocks Banatikla. She asks for it again. Yan, and Agno again rolls over for the dig. Banatikla sent back. Banatikla will try again. Nobody home. Nobody home. Earlier it was Reyes. On the rotation, it's Banatikla. No matter what you say about her getting checked earlier, if you're an attacker, you have to keep going.
Muntik na namang masave ni Agno. Missed it by probably less than an inch.
Correct.
Oh, poor reception there for Baniel.
Free ball. 12-9 for UST. Maru again. Gets it back. Back set. Hirotsuji. Vargas was there. They go back to Rose. Ooh! Sa sobrang lakas, pati siya. Napadapa.
Wow, Hirotsuji.
Hey, the girls are breathing heavily here.
Ito na makalalaman mo na yung kondisyon ng mga players na to ngayon.
Fourth set.
In this type of a match.
Fourth set. 10 serving 12. This is worthy of Final Four action, Ian. Vargas Rojas the lefty. UST naman ang babanat. Oh, and a beautiful picture-perfect cross-court kill from Maruja Banantigla.
Wow, he is spot on when
Look
that
at-
ball is close to the net.
And we're right behind her.
Yeah.
So we see the
Kitang-kita.
form.
15 to 10.
And the angle she chooses, talagang lulusot sa block.
It's just
Ooh!
topped off by a service error.
Wow, no one from the UST squad expected that from Rhea.
May pagod na eh.
That's right.
Humihingal na nga itong mga ano. But these are amazing athletes.
Oh, yeah.
At such a young age. Again, these are amazing athletes. At such a young age.
Coach Ness shouting some more instructions, and the fatigue factor, now you start to think,
Yeah. We're getting into the deep water, so to
That's right.
speak. And we'll see who can swim. Reverse set. Sent back. Great reflex by Eulalio.
Caballero winning the joust over Baniel.
And Coach Oji sends in a service specialist.
Now you gotta rest Hirotsuji. She was moving left, right, back, front.
So si Katrina Karangan muna. Lamang ng 4 ang UST. Oy, nabitin pero nakakuha ng puntos itong si Eulalio.
I don't know if Eulalie does that on purpose.
to fake the, no?
Oh, ibang approach siya, then she
That's
goes up for a second one.
That's a great idea, Ian. If you're athletic enough,
Oh.
you can do that.
Because you know that the blockers will be watching
Yes,
you. At
yes.
patalunin mo na, no?
Pag ma-master mo yun,
Mahirap yun. Parang dalawang tao kasi isang play.
combination
Sa'yo na yung
play.
fake, sa'yo pa yung, yung palo.
Combination play mag-isa.
Outside shot, Caballero. 13 to 15.
Double jump ang tawag doon. 15-13.
Mahabol na naman. No lead is safe, as we have seen here in this match. Vargas. That means Bagang is in front. Oh, that catches the line.
Ooh! Karangan has had a lot of misreads.
Kita mo yung ikot ng bola naman, Ian, oh.
Bababa.
Oh, yung laglag. Hindi lang bababa.
Ooh, right on the line.
Kumaliko.
Yan, yung walang kawalasan nito. Straight into the net.
What a waste. USC ahead by 2, 16-14.